Okay, today we're gonna start with the weathering the storm in Irasama. This is a chapter about the cyclone in Odisha in 1999. Okay, so we'll study about this cyclone. On 27th of 1999, 7 years after his mother's death, Prashant had gone to the block headquarters of Irasama, a small town in coastal of Odisha. Odisha is a coastal place that you all know. So this is a story of 27th October 1999 when a person named Prashant has gone to his friend's house after 7 years of his mother's death, some 18 kilometers from his village, and the distance between the two houses were 18 kilometers, to spend the day with a friend. In the evening, a dark and a menacing storm quickly gathered. Now, what happened in the evening? Sham ke waqt, the dark clouds were changed into the dark clouds, which is a symbolize the heavy rain. Usually, bhi Odisha mein it is very common to have a rain and to have a heavy rain. हर साल आप सुनोगे उड़ीसा में बाढ़ जैसी परिस्थिति हो गई है एवरी टाइम इफ यू गोना लिसन द न्यूज. So Odisha में this is very common. Winds beat against the houses with the speed and fury of the Prashant had never witnessed before, but this time it's different. It's different for Prashant, although he belongs to the same place, Odisha only. But even then, this sort of heavy storms he never faced in his life. Heavy and incensed rain filled the darkness. Ancient trees were just come out. That means ancient trees were uprooted and crashed to the earth. Now, ancient trees were uprooted. That means that it is that the trees were uprooted. It screams rent the air as people and the houses were swiftly washed away because the storm was very heavy, very strong storms. Wind was blowing on. People were screaming and running from here and there just to save their life. The angry water swilled into his friend's house neck deep. As Prashant was his friend's house, his house was just get into the water. The building was of the brick and the motor was so strong enough to survive the devastation of the wind's velocity of 350 km per hour. Although his friend's house was built with the brick, and usually we think about it that the brick house is quite strong rather than the other houses. कच्चा घर से ज़्यादा पक्का होता है वो. But the cold terror of the family grew with the crashing of the trees that had uprooted and fallen on their houses. Now what happened? But due to the strong winds, the trees were uprooted and fallen down on their own house. Sometime in the middle of the night, damaged roofs and walls, and due to that, the fallen trees, what happened? That due to the fallen trees what happened that their roofs will get cracked. Usually in any of the bricked house or any of the pakka house, the two things are very important, that is roof and the base नींव जिसको कहते हैं. But they what happened to them that the roof get cracked due to the fallen tree. The Trace destructions wrought by the cyclone and the surge of the ocean continued for the next 36 hours. And this strong weather, this strong storms and the winds get continue for 36 hours. Although wind speeds had reduced somewhat by the next morning, हालांकि कुछ देर के बाद somewhat और next morning में जो speed थी cyclone की was reduced to escape the water rising in the house. Prashant and his family had taken refuge on the roof. Now, because their house already filled with the water till the neck, यानी कि गले तक भरना मतलब जो height whatever the height was there. There it was filled, 3/4 part of the house was already filled with the water. So just to save their life, they just went to the roof. Prashant and his family had taken refuge on the roof. Prashant will never forget the shock experienced at his first glimpse of the devastation wrought by the super cyclone. When they reached to the on the top of the floor, that is on the roof only, he was very much shocked to see that everywhere it is filled with the water and water. The destructions, he was not able to see any of the house standing over there. In the grey light of the early morning, a ragging, deadly brown sheet of water covered everything as far as the eyes could see. Now, wherever he was looking, it was only and only filled with the water and brown sheet of water. Brown sheet of water means that the somewhere it's a dirty water, and wherever the water little bit get down, there was a sheet of the sand, only fractured cement houses still. And just because of this houses because of this strong winds already was blown, it vanished the कच्चा houses, जो घर जो फूस से बने हुए होते हैं या फिर कच्चे मिट्टी के बने हुए थे, दैट इज ऑलरेडी वेनिश्ड. जो भी टूटे फूटे फ्रैक्चर्ड मकान जो नजर आ रहे थे वो भी टूटे फूटे इधर से उधर थोड़े बहुत. Blotted animal carcasses and the human corpse floated in every direction. Now here the two words has been introduced, that is carcasses and corpse. Carcasses is always meant that is animal dead body. Carcasses is always used for the animal dead body. Carcasses never used for the human dead body, and corpses means human dead body. So these two words are new. So please remember these two words, carcasses and corpse, floated in every direction. Wherever he was looking or wherever he just see, whatever he saw, only the carcasses and corpse, dead bodies of animal as well as the human being. All round even huge old trees had fallen. और जो बहुत बड़े बड़े trees जो थे वो नीचे गिर गए थे. Two coconut trees had fallen on the roof of their house. Now what happened, that two coconut trees also fallen down on their house, and this becomes a boon in disguise. This is blessing in disguise for them. Reason being, हालांकि उन्हीं trees की वजह से शायद उनके घर में crack आया था, but on the contrary that the tree is loaded with the fruit of coconut. For several time Prashant and his friends family was depending on that. That means at least they were not starving, वो भूख से नहीं मर रहे थे, they were having the some sort of food with them because of the tender coconuts from the trees. That family from starving in the several days that followed. For the next 2 days Prashant sat huddled with his friend's family in the open of the rooftop. For the next 2 days is he was sitting on the rooftop with his friends, but after that they froze in the cold and incensed rain. The rain washed away Prashant's tear. Now what happened, continuously it was raining and raining and raining. The only thought that flashed through his mind was of whether his family was survived or not. Now because he was just out of his family, he was very far from his family, he continuously thinking about his family members, that whether they were alive or not. Was he to be beavered once again? Now he was thinking that whether he will meet to his family or not. 2 days later, which seems to Prashant like 2 years. Now these 2 days becomes 2 years for Prashant, because he was very much tensed. Prashant was determined to seek out his family further delay. Now he just moved to who find it out his family members anyhow. So what did he decide? He just decided that train has already stopped, so he will move to find it out his family. Although Prashant's friends requested him to stop over there because of the bad weather and because the condition is not so much friendly, but even then he was not at all ready with that. He equipped himself with a long sturdy stick and then started on his 18-kilometer expedition back to the village, though the swollen flood waters. It was a journey he would never forget. He constantly had to use his stick to locate the road, to determine it. Now what happened, he just started his journey with the two sticks. Now why he has taken the two sticks? Because of this stick only he will find it out कि कहीं पर गड्ढा तो नहीं है. अगर गड्ढा हो जाएगा तो what will happen, कि at least he will find it out. एट प्लेसेस इट वॉज वास्ट डीप, कहीं पर बहुत ज्यादा डीप था, कहीं पर छोटा था, कहीं पर बड़े गड्ढे हो ही जाते हैं पानी की वजह से. एट सेवरल पॉइंट ही लॉस्ट द रोड, ही वॉज नॉट इवन गेट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ रोड, ही हैड टू स्विम. दैट मीन्स द रोड का मतलब यहाँ पर है कि दैट ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू वॉक, ही हैज टू स्विम, इतना पानी भर गया था. आफ्टर सम डिस्टेंस ही वॉज रिलीव टू फाइंड आउट टू फ्रेंड्स ऑफ हिज अंकल who were also returning to their village. They decided to move ahead together. Now what happened ki when he has covered it some distance, he find it out two of his friend, usko do dost mile uske, which make a relief sigh of relief, of course. As they waved through the water, they seen the witnessed grew more and more macbear. जहां पर कहीं पर भी बहुत ज्यादा बर्बादी और डरावना था. डरावना इसलिए था, they had to push away many human bodies, men, women, children, and the carcasses of the dogs, goat, cattle, है ना. सो इसीलिए कहीं ना कहीं उनके लिए ये बहुत ज्यादा डरावना था, बिकॉज दे हैव टू मूव देयर बॉडी. अगर वो आगे जा रहे थे या उनको आगे जाना था, तो दे हैव टू मूव द डेड बॉडीज, चाहे वो इंसानों की हो, जानवरों की हो. सो दिस इज लिटिल बिट, नॉट लिटिल बिट, दिस इज वेरी मच डेंजरस फॉर देम. In every village they had passed, they could barely see a house standing. और जहां कर कहीं पर भी वो जा रहे थे, उन्हें हार्डली कोई जिंदा या फिर कोई हाउस मिल रहा था. प्रशांत now wept out loud and long. वो बहुत जोर से चिल्लाया और रोया. He was sure that his family could not be survived in this catastrophe. उसे पता था कि शायद उसकी फैमिली जिंदा नहीं बची है. Eventually, Prashant reached his village, कालीकुदा पहुंचा अपनी village में. His heart went cold. Where their home once stood, जहां पर एक कभी उनका घर हुआ करता था, there were remedies of the roof, remains of the roof. सिर्फ अब छत भी नहीं रह गई है प्रॉपर तरीके से. Branches of the trees just visible above the dark water. Young Prashad decided to go to the Red Cross shelter to look out his family. और आपको पता होगा कि रेड क्रॉस जो होता है वो एक ऐसा ग्रुप है, एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूशन है जहां पर सबसे पहले डिवास्टेशन में वो लोग पहुंचते हैं. Among the first people he saw the crowd of his maternal grandmother. सबसे पहले he find it out maternal grandmother, that is नानी. वीक विद द हंगर, वो बेचारी बहुत भूख से बहुत वीक हो चुकी थी. She rushed to him, her hands outstretched, her eyes beaming. It was a miracle they had given up him for dead. उसने तो सोचा था डेफिनेटली नानी तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं बचेगी, बट इवन देन बाय गॉड ग्रेस ही फाइंड इट आउट. क्विकली वर्ड स्प्रेड, और जैसे ही उसे उसकी नानी मिली, ही फाइंड इट आउट हिज होल फैमिली. And he was very happy to have his family back. His brother, sister, uncle, aunts, all they he find it out. Okay, now this much only today.